How do I know when it's time to replace my air conditioner? It is usually time to replace it when it is more than 10 to 15 years old, breaks down often, or costs a lot to cool your home. An air conditioner does not last forever, and age is only part of the story. If it keeps running but your house still feels warm, that is a sign it is losing strength. If your electric bill keeps going up even though you are using it the same way, the system may be working too hard. Strange noises, bad smells, or water leaking around the unit can also mean important parts are wearing out. One thing many people do not know is that old air conditioners often use older refrigerant and can become expensive to repair because that material is harder to find. Another clue is humidity, because a weak system may cool the air but still leave the house sticky and uncomfortable. A good rule is to compare the repair cost to the price of a new unit, and if a repair is close to half the price of replacement, replacement often makes more sense. You can also ask a professional to check the compressor, coils, and airflow, because sometimes one failing part is a warning that the whole system is near the end. One common mistake is waiting until the unit dies during a heat wave, which can leave you stuck and rushed. A better move is to plan ahead before peak summer. Another mistake is thinking one repair means the system is fine, when repeated repairs often show a bigger problem. A good tip is to track how often you call for service over the past 2 years. People also overlook uneven cooling, weak airflow, and rooms that never get comfortable, but those are signs the system may be too tired to keep up. If you notice all three, it is smart to start comparing replacement options instead of spending more on patch jobs. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app called JobBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.